Good morning, students. How are you all? You all must be fine, isn't it? Let's start. Take out your English book, page number 74. We will continue the lesson 10, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. I told you, what do you mean by tale? Tale is a short story. Okay? Now, page number 74. We will continue this page. What were the names of the four rabbits? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. Are you getting my point? What were the names of the four rabbits? The names of the four rabbits were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. Now I will explain the lesson. Then old Mrs. Rabbit took a basket and an umbrella. What happened? Mrs. Rabbit, their mother, she took a basket and an umbrella. Look here in page number 74. Mrs. Rabbit took a basket and an umbrella. She went out. Can you see this picture? Their mother is having an umbrella. Umbrella means chata. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail went down the lane to collect blackberries. What happened? Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail, three of them, they went down. Where they went? They went down to the lane. Lane is a narrow passage, narrow road, means गली. छोटी सी जो गली है वहाँ चले गए. Why? To collect blackberries. What do you mean by blackberries? This jamun. खाए? Have you ever ate this? क्या आपने खाया है जामुन? But naughty Peter ran straight to Mr. McGregor's garden. What happened? Their fourth brother, जो उनका जो चौथा जो rabbit था, he went straight to, तुरंत दौड़ के कहाँ गया? Mr. McGregor's garden. But their mama warned him not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden. But he was naughty. He didn't listen what his mother said to him, and he ran straight to their garden. He squeezed under the gate. उसने क्या किया? गेट को थोड़ा कंट्रोल, उसको खोला. Managed to get into it. Squeeze मतलब उसको मैनेज किया कि कैसे खोल के अंदर जाना है. First he ate lettuces. पहले उसने क्या खाया? Lettuce खाया. Chom chom chom. Then he ate radishes. Then what he ate? Radish. Do you know the meaning of radish? Don't know? Muli. Then he went to look for carrots. उसके बाद क्या खाया? Carrots. How you will learn the spelling carrots and radish? First I will tell you how you will learn the spelling of radish. You know the spelling of student dish? D-I-S-H, dish. In front of dish you will write R-E, radish. Finish. Got the point? Now how you will learn carrot? C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Car, you know the spelling of car? R-O-T, not. Simple. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. No need to mug up. You have to use your brain. First please the letter, then it is very easy to learn English spellings. Okay? What he first ate? He first ate lettuce, then radish, then carrots. But he made Mr. McGregor. Oh my God, what happened? अब उसको कौन मिल गया? Mr. McGregor. Gregor, the owner of that garden. Garden का मालिक उसको मिल गया. Mr. See here, what he is doing? He is Mr. McGregor, Mr. McGregor jumped up. उसके ऊपर एकदम कूदा. He ran after Peter. What happened? वो उसके पीछे पीछे दौड़ते गया. किसके पीछे दौड़ा? That naughty Peter. He waved a rake. The instrument this is called rake. He waved a rake and shouted, "Stop still!" What is it? रुक चोर, रुक. कहाँ भागे जा रहा है? He was very annoyed. उसको बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था कि मेरे गार्डन में घुस के इसने मूली गाजर सब खा लिया. गुस्सा नहीं आएगा? उसको भी गुस्सा आता. बोलते चुप चोर, चुप, रुको. Peter rushed all over the garden. पीटर ने क्या किया? पूरे गार्डन में चक्कर लगाते रहा. उसको भी दौड़ाते रहा. पूरा मजा करते रहा. He lost his shoes among the cabbages. What happened? See the picture. उसके पैर में जूते भी नहीं. जूते फेंक के वो दौड़ने लगा. Among the cabbages. He lost his shoes. Shoes कहाँ उसके घूम गए? Cabbages, ये पत्ता गोभी दिख रही है आपको? Vegetable. मेरे जूते फेंक देता है. ये lost, घूम जाते उसके जूते. He lost his jacket among the potatoes. What happened? He was wearing jacket. अब वो जैकेट को भी अब उसको दौड़ना है, उसको बचना है. तो what will happen? He will lost his jacket. He will lost his shoes. अब shoes कहाँ उसको घूम गया? कैबेज के वहाँ पे, पत्ता गोभी के वहाँ पे. जैकेट कहाँ घूम गया? आलू के वहाँ पे, पोटैटोज के वहाँ पे. He ran into the tool shed. He jumped into a can. What happened? एक tool shed रखा हुआ था जहाँ पे सारे औजार रखे. That is called tool shed. He jumped into a can. और वहाँ पे कैन रखा हुआ था, उसके ऊपर जंप कर दिया. ठीक है. सबसे पहले कहाँ गया? दौड़ के टूल शेड के पास. उसके बाद he jumped into a can. Now Mr. McGregor searched for him. अब वो कैन में जाके छुप गया. अब उस मिस्टर ग्रेगर पूरे तरह इसको ढूंढते रहा. कहाँ? सर्च मीन्स टू फाइंड आउट. उसको ढूंढते रहा. ये कहाँ भग गया ये नॉटी रैबिट? Then Peter sneezed. What happened? Peter sneezed. आचू. उसको छींक आ गई. अब छींकने से क्या? छींकने से आवाज आ गई. मिस्टर ग्रेगर was after him again. अब मिस्टर ग्रेगर उसके पीछे फिर से दौड़ने लगा. अगर वो छींक उसको नहीं आती तो चुपचाप से सोचता पता नहीं कहाँ चले गया, थक हार के वो निकल जाता. पर इसको छींक आ गई. सो बैड लक. छींक आ गई तो ये अपना सब कुछ. अब उसको मालूम हो गया कि he was वहाँ पे जाके छुप गया है. So when he heard the voice of sneezing, he ran after him again. So the students, so how naughty this rabbit was. कितना नॉटी था. उसने अपने सारे जूते को भी उसको ध्यान नहीं दिया, नहीं उसने अपना जैकेट का ध्यान दिया. बस भगते जा रहा था. and was enjoying eating radish, eating carrots, eating lettuce, and he was not afraid of Mr. McGregor. पूरे गार्डन में उसको घुमाते ही रहा, पूरा बेचारा चक्कर लगाते रहा. एट लास्ट में जो पीटर रहता है, the Peter ran into the tool shed and jumped into a can. And when he sneezed, then again Mr. McGregor ran after him. जब उसको छींक आई तब मिस्टर मैकग्रेगर उसके पीछे फिर से दौड़ने लगा. Okay students, now your homework is to read this page again and again. You will also enjoy this story. मजा आ रहा है? So what's your homework is? You have to read this lesson, try to find out the difficult words and write its meanings and make at least 5 sentences from the given difficult words you have written. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.